to the first blank page. The words start pouring out. There's so much I wanna say. Like you showed me how to love myself, and you're the reason that I stay.
An interminable battle, a perpetually moonless night. That's what my world felt like before you came into my life.